Alright guys, we're here with you know who. 1911 Sig Sauer. Let's go do some. Ooh, look at that. Love it. I love it. This is nice. Solid. Oh, trying to focus on the. Bro, this is nice. So, let's load it up. You know, got a messy on BB. No, but that's how it goes. You put the spring down, and then in that little hole, just little by little. Alright, now we go. It's more than put aside there. Bro, this thing is nice. Let me put it back up. 6 Sauer, 1 meter. Nice. You can see in there. Get this out. Yeah, man, this thing is nice. You can see. Oh, you can feel that. It hit you hard. The recoil. Nice. Let me put this over here. So we can deal with this. Damn. Put another knife. There it is. This is mag number 3. Oh, what I missed? Mag number 3 with fresh CO2. Then got back. Get this out. Nice. I love it, brother. This thing is nice. Sig Sauer. This thing is nice.